Hey y'all, so it's Tianna Blancoo, and I will be installing this unit on my client. This was, I believe, 22 to 24 inches. So I'm taking my Ghost Bond glue and I will be placing that in front of her hairline, in front of her edges, in front of her baby hairs. This way she can have them when this wig come off, okay? You never want to place any glue or adhesive onto your hair, period. So now I'm just going to be smoothing out that glue. This way it can dry quicker. So you kind of want to wait till your Ghost Bond glue dries. Now, I am going to be placing on this wig, and this wig comes with adjustable straps in the back of the wig. So you just want to position it to make sure it fits your client head comfortably. And once you do so, then we are going to cut our ear tabs off. Do not be afraid of cutting off any excess lace on the side of your ears. Your lace should not be placed on top of your ears, covering your ears. It should be right above your earlobes. So just have your client tug on one side while you cut the other side. And once it fit perfectly, I'm going to go ahead and use my razor comb and cut off any excess lace. Now, usually I would have the wig already customized and ready to put on. So this way the install is less work. But she just brought me this wig literally the same day, and we just made it work. I hurried up and bleached it, and now I'm just going to be customizing the unit to fit my client's head and look absolutely natural. That's the goal here. We want it to look natural as possible. But baby, let's get into that natural scalp, okay? That look like it's growing out of her scalp. Look at that. It just, listen, get you a wig from TiannaBlancoo.com, period. And I'll just be doing some more customizing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it. You know, get your girl to 20K. Let's go. You can't see the stain. I was recording your donut.